Get traffic with AdSwaps. How to get traffic to your website using AdSwaps. We all know how important it is to build an email subscriber list as part of your online strategy, but it can be difficult to get enough traffic to your squeeze page. Now, you can use a lot of different traffic generation methods in order to send traffic to your squeeze page and build your subscriber list, including pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, and article marketing. There is one powerful method, however, that many marketers overlook, and that method is known as AdSwaps. The concept is pretty simple because all you have to do is contact another marketer in your niche who also has an email list, and you agree to perform a simple swap so that both of you can receive additional subscribers. You would send an email to your list promoting the other marketer's opt-in list, and he or she would do the same for you. This is generally a simple and effective way to add subscribers to your list, but you need to keep some precautions in mind. If at all possible, you should verify that the other marketer has the same number of subscribers as you do and has the same number of subscribers that they claim. Otherwise, you could be wasting your time even though no real damage will have been done. For best results, you should contact marketers who have roughly the same number of subscribers as you do in order to make the whole process worthwhile for both of you. If you have 500 subscribers and the other marketer has 1,000 subscribers, you might still be able to work out an arrangement if you're willing to send 2 emails to your list in order to make up for the difference. If you don't have any subscribers but still want to participate in AdSwaps, you need to build a list of at least a few hundred subscribers as quickly as possible in order to be taken seriously. The fastest way to achieve this would be to use some paid advertising, such as pay-per-click campaigns, or running a solo ad so you can begin participating in AdSwaps as soon as possible.